Oh my god, I feel like I'm already gonna cry. Okay. It's a baby cow! Hi guys, it's Nico, and I'm here with my bestie. This is Natalie.
Hi.
And I'm super excited that she's here because today we are going to be custom making our own palettes for each other on Beautonomy.com, which, if you didn't already know, Beautonomy is like a customizable palette website where you can design everything from like the packaging to the shade names to whatever you want to be inside the actual palette, which is so much freedom.
Yes.
To do whatever we want.
Whatever we want.
So I'm not gonna know what Natalie's picking. Natalie's not gonna know what I'm picking. It's gonna be a total surprise when we switch them off, and then we're gonna test them out, see how good the Beautonomy products actually are. We're gonna be looking out for color options, so how good is the variety on the site, blendability with the products, and the overall look of the final custom packaging to see if it's worth the $35-ish. Natalie wears makeup every day, so I look at her a lot. She sits next to me, we hold hands, I stare into her eyes, and I see what she has on her eyes. She's very into color. That's all I got. Her name's Natalie, she likes colors. All right, later, Gator. Oof. All right, so the type of palette that we're gonna be creating for each other is 4 shadows and 3 face products, so like a highlight, bronzer, blush. Let's go to Beautonomy.com. I've never seen a website that lets you make your own palettes and then be able to sell your own palettes. Like, people can actually buy what you make. I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, let's get into the good.
I have a full plan of what I'm gonna do for Nicos palette.
How do I do anything?
She follows this Instagram page all about this Highland cow farm in North Carolina. And there's this one particular cow, her name is Carolina, and she's beautiful. She's gorgeous, she's a style icon, she's a beauty. But more generally, she's gonna be the inspiration for Nicos palette.
I know her not at all, is what I'm learning.
So we're gonna do earthy tones, I think. Definitely a cream, because that's what color she is, but she has these little brown ears, so we'll do that too. Maybe we'll do a green.
Ooh, maybe this frosted mint. She has talked to me about wanting a minty green. Oh my God, this looks so ugly. I'm destroying this.
This is the cutest thing I've ever made. It's the cutest thing I've ever done. Nico's gonna love it. Oh my God, I should work in package design.
I'm getting a little frustrated.
Okay, I get to add my background image. Ah! You can see her beautiful eyelashes. Okay, that will be the one on the front.
Take a deep breath. It's not that hard. It's just makeup.
So there's a lot of options of what kind of eyeshadows you can do. There's shimmer, there's duochrome, there's glitter, and then there's eyebrow slash eyeshadow. So let's do a glitter.
I like what's happening up here. And this happened accidentally. This gingerbread color just kind of came in at the end. Let's move on to the face stuff. So let's start with blush. Natalie also doesn't really wear blush, but I'm trying to convert her into being a blush person like me. But I want to ease her into it. So maybe something soft and pretty, like graceful salmon. Salmon. One of our favorite things to do together is watch with Katya and Trixie. So maybe we can do a little reference there. Should we do a little thwarp? Should we name the purple thwarp? Something we say a lot to each other is, love that for you, in a really stupid voice. So maybe I'll just call it that. Love that for you. Because I do, in fact, love this shade for her.
What should I call this? I'm gonna call it Little Ears. I'm gonna name this Matte White Carolina, because I still like her. Okay, I'm gonna add it to my bag, and then we'll see what she thinks when he gets here. Oh!
So I feel okay in what I've chosen. Will I change it again before the day is done? Probably. I don't know. Do I feel confident? Absolutely not. Our palettes are finally here, and I'm really excited for us to trade them. We haven't peeked. Did you peek?
At mine?
At mine.
I saw it.
No, I'm saying, did you peek at the one I made for you?
No.
So we're gonna give each other our palettes one by one. Natalie, I will give you yours first.
Okay.
Close your freaking eyes.
Okay. Oh my gosh! It's like Casey Musgraves.
It's a beautiful sky.
It's a beautiful cotton candy sky, just like Casey Musgraves.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm already gonna cry. Okay. It's a baby cow! It's my favorite cow! Caroline! So cute! Oh my god! I love this so much! There's a shade called Lil Ears. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute! This has everything I ever need in this little mirror! How did I forget this? Basically what we're gonna do is transition shade, a lid shade, and an outer corner shade using our new custom palettes. Already really like it.
This purple shade is like building. Okay.
Here's the thing. This color is doing interesting things on my eye.
Is it?
I feel like it's catching on certain parts of my eye darker than others.
I feel like this shade, Thwarp, it's just like sheer. I'm gonna get it wet in a second and try it that way and see if it gets more pigment.
You got fallout? Mm-hmm. That's another thing where it's like, fallout doesn't totally like destroy a makeup palette for me. I'm scared. Oh, nothing bad is happening.
Yeah, I can see it, which is surprising to me.
I actually quite like this bronzer.
This is so confusing because it looks like a complete, well, I mean, it's a little cool.
Ooh, I look like Jennifer Lopez. If you squint really, really hard. Or maybe fully close your eyes.
I swear to God, this powder is oxidizing before my very eyes.
Whoa, baby. That's good stuff. Wow. Do you see, look at my face.
It's pretty.
I think that's good. Are we done? I'm done.
I think I'm done. The idea of customizing your own palette is great, but on the other hand, it's not new.
Is it not new?
No, because I mean, like, you can make a Z palette of anything. You know what I mean?
true.
Like MAC, ColourPop, like all of these places sell individual shadows that you could put in a magnetic Z palette.
Beautonomy's whole pull is the fact that you can customize your packaging and the shade names, which was my favorite part.
I think that the quality, I didn't use one of them, but like it differed from shadow to shadow, which I think it does. You know, anywhere you go, any palette you get, not every color is going to be the same quality.
How do you think your friend did? I'm the friend.
I think you did great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Natalie freaking nailed this palette. I think it's so good. It's so me. For the cost, I think that this as an overall experience is worth it. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
The customization of like making it was so fun. Like, it's such a cute thing to give to someone as a gift, that to me is worth it. But if it was not for the customization part of this process, I'd say skip this.
Yeah.
Probably.
There are better palettes that are less spunny.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the customization is really cool. And like, you know, getting to choose exactly what colors you want, getting to make the packaging, getting to name them. You know, I do agree that I think that it's a fun gift.
It is. You're watching Disney Channel. Okay.